Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is Feb 17, 2022. Let's talk about top stocks with a heavy insider buy. When insiders are buying their own stock, especially when the stock is down, that means it can be a turning point. When the stock is good and the fundamentals are great. So with that, let's take a look at a few companies with the great insider buy and volume is more than 10 million shares traded and insider buy is more than 10%. So with that, let's jump in and get started. So here we got the list here. Look, we got all insider buy. Look at the percent here. It's all more than 10%. In some cases, insiders are buying very, very heavily. Look at Warby Parker. Insiders are buying a lot here, 204%. And stock is down, as you can see here, down 50% from 52-week high. So when this happens, when the company's fundamentals are good, that's a good sign. Look, stock price for Warby Parker is $30 and the target price for next 12 months is $61. That's a good upside here. It's a 100% upside, as you can see here. And it's got a good market cap, $3.4 billion market cap. And insiders are buying heavily like we talked about. And look, as you look through here, for the next year, both EPS growth, earnings per share growth, as well as revenue growth is very nice here. And they got a lot of money. Look at the Altman Z score here. It's a financially stable and this company is not going to go out of bankruptcy anytime soon. And they got $266 million cash. We don't need to worry about cash. So with that, even the debt perspective, quick ratio is 2.2. That tells you they got enough money to stay solvent and we don't need to worry. Long-term debt is very, very low. So I say, slowly start buying some Warby Parker here. It's a good one. I think management has conviction and that's why they're buying their own stocks and the insiders are buying heavily. Even the institutions are also buying, as you can see here, up 6% here. And then you got Stitch Fix. This has been down for a while, as you know. Look, it's down 84% from 52-week high. And as you scan through here, insiders are buying heavily, 165% here. And stock price right now is $13. Target price is 25. There is a nice about 100% improvement in the target price. So you could have a nice appreciation if the stock goes to its target price. It's a $1.5 billion market cap. And as you see here, both insiders as well as institutions are buying. And it's got nice sales growth, as you see here. Company is there for a while, nice sales growth and nice gross margin. Company is not making money, that's why net margin negative, and they have enough money to stay solvent. I like when the quick ratio is more than 1. And as you see here, high short ratio for both these stocks here. And look, for next year, both earnings per share as well as revenue growth is good here. And they got enough money to stay solvent. That's why Altman Z score is higher. And they got about this company is free cash flow positive company. They got $23 million free cash, so you could go after this one also. So next to our my favorites, INCY is a good company. It's a biotechnology company. Look at the overall score for INCY. It's 99. That tells it's a solid company when you look from a profitability, financials and growth perspective. Look, stock price is very low right now, 67. Target price is 90. That's a nice improvement from the current price. And insiders are buying heavily, as you can see here. Institutions are also buying. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin. Companies making money, that's why net margin positive. I say buy some insight here and look from a next year perspective. Earnings per share as well as revenue is nice growth expected from analysts. That's a good one here. So they do have a lot of money. Look, free cash flow is $568 million and they got $2.3 billion of cash in their balance sheet. That tells it's fundamentally solid right now. Temporary weakness, I say go buy some insight. And then you got this WRBY here. As you can see here, it's a good company. Right now, it's a down. And look, it's a utility type company. That's why debt is little higher. So I would not worry because, in this industry, it's okay to have high debt. And look, they're doing pretty okay here. Overall score is 89. And look, current stock price is $61 and expectation for the target price is 72. That's a good one, especially if you want some dividend income. This is a good one here. Then we got Callon Petroleum. This one goes up and down nicely, as many of you have noted. Right now, Callon Petroleum RSI is 53. Anytime RSI is below 50, I say go by Callon Petroleum. This is a very volatile stock, goes up and down nicely. And as you see here, even Uber is a good one. As you look through here, Uber right now stock price is 36, target price is 62. Insider buying 11%. As you see here, I say you could buy some Uber also here. They got able leader. I think he's going to do very well. Then as you see here, we got a few more companies. Keep watching the insider percentage here. All nice insider buy here. Also keep watching the overall score. Higher the better. I like the ones with the high overall score here. So with that, look, we got two more here. E2 Open and Twitter, both nice and high score, as you can see here. Even the next one here, ACGL, is also a good one here. All nice insider buy, and keep watching next year EPS growth as well as revenue growth. They're also nice and high here. And all these companies got nice cash, as you can see here. Especially ACGL has got nice, very good cash. They got $22 billion cash here. So you could buy some of this company here. Beaten down, very good score. Right now stock price is 47 and target price is 55. Then we got a few more, as you see here. Keep watching the overall score here. Higher the better. We got two great stocks here. Perigo is one of my favorite. Look at Perigo here, $35 stock and target price is 55. It's a great one to buy here. Overall score is 60. I say go buy some Perigo here. They got $2.0 billion, $2 billion cash, and they got able leader at the top. I think it's a good one to buy. Energy Transfer Partners, it's also a good one. Keep watching the overall RSI here. Energy Transfer Partners has got a RSI 67. That tells you don't buy right now. Wait, let it cool off a little more. And as you see here, we got a few more. I like the ones with the high overall score. Look at Peloton right now. Peloton, right now I say don't jump in, let it cool off a little more. There's some takeover bid. Stock has gone up so much. Right now RSI is 52. Below 50 you could buy. Then Asana, it was down big time while ago. Founder and CEO kept on buying their own stock. That's why stock shot up right now. At this point, I say wait a little bit, let it cool off. Look, RSI is too high, not worth your money at these levels. Let it cool off, then you can buy some. So with that, even bio delivery, same story. High RSI right now. I would wait for it to cool off before I put my money into BDSI here. So with that, let's now look at all these companies are with the price more than $5. Now let's look at the stocks with the price less than $5. When the price is less than $5, this is mainly for speculators, not for long-term investors, because many times when the price is in a single digit, especially below 5, you got to be a little more careful. That's why I put in the overall score here, so that way you know which one is stable. So with that, let's jump in. So first we got Sqlt, select quote. Look, $3 stock. Stock has been clobbered, as many of you noticed. And right now target price is $4. Not too much upside from current price, as you can see here. And stock is down big time, down 91% from 52-week high. That must be hurting. They got a lot of cash here, $193 million cash. Free cash flow is negative, not a good sign here. And EPS and revenue growth for next year is pretty good here. I would say it's probably good to avoid this company here. Look at the Piotrowski F score. It's one that tells you books are not solid here. I would stay away for now. And then you got few more here, Tough Built and GOCO here. Keep watching. Overall score higher the better. If you were to compare, I would go with Tough Built, which is 16-cent stock. As you can see here, and target price is $2. That's a nice nice appreciation from the current price level. Insiders are buying heavily, 192 194% here. And my favorite is really right here, Opco Health. Opco Health is dropped off big time, as many of you noticed. Overall score is very good, 77 here. And look, insiders are buying 30% here. You could buy along with the insiders and go from there. This one only problem is for the future. Next year, EPS growth and revenue growth came down from analysts. That typically happens when the company did not do well in the current quarter earnings. They lower the guidance for the next year. This will set the stage for company to raise and beat next time around. That's also a good one here. Keep watching the short ratio here. Many of these stocks have got high short ratio, especially Opco as well as Zomedica. So also watch RSI. If the RSI is high, I would stay away. Right now for Zomedica, right now stock has gone up in one day 23%. I would let it cool off a little more. I would not jump in at this time. And keep watching the once with a double digit overall score, you may be okay to slowly put some money in there. We got AEI. This is down for a while. Score is 11. So free cash flow is negative for this company. They do have some good amount of cash. And Altman Z score is 2.2. That tells it's okay, but I would be careful. Score is a little bit lower. But if you want to put some money, that's okay. But be a little bit careful and all set. Don't put all your money there. It may not be a great one to put all your money. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.